Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Issa here. Nice to see you all. Miss you a lot. Today we're going to learn the N and L word families. Objective. I can read and tap out words with N and L. Language. I can read and tell my partner words from the N and L word families. The word is blank. It is from the blank word family. Remember, this is going to be short E. Like elephant. Remember, all of the words have N at the end, so you can chunk them together or say each sound and tap it out. T, n, 10, and blend it together. All right, here we go. T, n, 10. P, n, pen. Hen. Two hens. Den. When. Remember that digraph, WH? Okay, let's move on to L. ELLL. Tell. Yell. Uh-oh, that lady's yelling. Sell. Jello. I see the word gel in the word jello. Spell, like spelling. All right, great job, boys and girls.